Okay, for those of you that just watched that first video, there's a 15-minute limit and I just barely ran out of time. There's one last thing I kind of wanted to show you on this problem. So these are your two final answers. I don't know if that last video caught that, but here's your two final answers. When it's all said and done, this is what you'll end up with. And then one thing I want to show you with this, so this is what this is talking about. When you select the height that you are, whoops. When you select the height that you are looking for, all the stuff that we've done so far has focused on a height of 0. Okay, everything we've focused on has been talking about your x's. Okay, so your x-intercepts. Everything we've talked about has been x-intercepts, which means we're looking for the solution when your y is equal to 0, right? But now what we're looking for when your height is 21, okay, is we're launching this thing, it's going up and it's coming back down somewhere, and it's going to create a parabola. It got launched from this high in the air, okay? And when we're talking about 21 feet, that could be anywhere up here. That could be maybe right where the ball's at now, and we're setting that new height of 21, and we're trying to see where on that graph do we have a height of 21, okay, in terms of the time. So that's kind of what you're talking about. It's nice to put a visual and a real actual problem to this, and you can kind of see how this would work in real life. So that is the last example. Answers are down here. Sorry that it turned into 2 videos, even though this one is just about 2 minutes, but it worked, okay? And that is 3.6, day 2.